You've caught me in a very vulnerable state. So for the past week, we've had this sickness going around our house, and it has now gone through almost all of us. I'm still hoping that my husband doesn't catch anything, but he's at work, and I am home sick with all 4 kids. And as you can tell, none of us feel good. Hi, Henry.
Hiya, Henry.
Are you sick? Are you sick?
Sick.
Are you sick?
Sick,
Are you happy for being sick?
Sick.
So I'm really sick, and I just want to stay in bed all day and just do nothing. So I would love to sit here and stay in bed all day and do nothing and just get better. But I feel like the longer I sit here in bed, the germs out there are just infesting my house.
It's up to you to stop them, sailor, but you won't need a gun. You've got to kill germs. Germs. And that's your weapon. Soap. Your cut needs you to wash your hands before you eat. And another thing, sailor, stop licking your nose.
And if I'm in here, who's watching the kids? So I think it's time to get out of bed and get this house back into shape. So I had all these good intentions to make a vlog and show you what it's like to be a sick mom with sick kids and how we handle that here. And unfortunately, it's just not going to happen. I got the dishes done and I got a few things cleaned up around my house, which does make me feel better knowing that parts of my house got cleaned up. I just put Henry down for his nap and the other kids are downstairs watching a show. So I'm gonna take advantage of this time and climb back into bed and see if I can get myself feeling better so that tomorrow I can be in better shape for my kids.